Start. In the aforesaid circumstances, this court felt that the recovery after several years of the implementation of the pay scale would not be just and proper. Stop. We therefore hereby hold, recovery of excess payments discovered after 5 years would be iniquitous and arbitrary, and as such, violative of Article 14 of the Constitution of India. Stop. Examining a similar proposition, this court in Colonel B. J. Akkara versus Government of India, observed as under such relief restraining back recovery of excess payment, is granted by courts not because of any right in the employees, but in equity, in exercise of judicial discretion to relieve the employees from the hardship that will be caused if recovery is implemented. Stop. A government servant, particularly one in the lower rungs of service, would spend whatever emoluments he receives for the upkeep of his family. Stop. If he receives an excess payment for a long period, he would spend it, genuinely believing that he is entitled to it. Stop. As any subsequent action to recover the excess payment will cause undue hardship to him, relief is granted in that behalf. Stop. But where the employee had knowledge that the payment received was in excess of what was due or wrongly paid, or where the error is detected or corrected within a short time of wrong payment, courts will not grant relief against recovery. Stop. The matter being in the realm of judicial discretion, courts may, on the facts and circumstances of any particular case, refuse to grant such relief against recovery. Stop. A perusal of the aforesaid observations made by this court in Colonel B. J. Akkara's case reveals a reiteration of the legal position recorded in the earlier judgments rendered by this court, in as much as, it was again affirmed, that the right to recover would be sustainable so long as the same was not iniquitous or arbitrary. Stop. In the observation extracted above, this court also recorded, that recovery from employees in lower rung of service, would result in extreme hardship to them. Stop. The apparent explanation for the aforesaid conclusion is, that employees in lower rung of service would spend their entire earnings in the upkeep and welfare of their family, and if such excess payment is allowed to be recovered from them, it would cause them hardship. Stop.